Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iMac A2116, and now I'm gonna show you how to clear the history on this device. So basically you can use different browsers on your device, and now I'm gonna show you how to do it in Safari browser and in Chrome browser. There are two, maybe the most popular browsers you can use on your Mac device. Okay, so let's begin with Safari. So when searching something in Safari, of course, it saves in the history, and to clear it you just need to click on history button on the upper part of your screen, click history, and here you will see all history. You can check it, of course, and you can just remove items from history. Just click on it using the right button and click delete, or you can clear all history clicking clear history. Here you can choose the range of the time you wanna clean. For example, all history today and yesterday, today, or just last hour. But I, for example, wanna clean all history, and by clicking on clear history, all history will be cleared. Cool. And the other item is the Chrome browser. In the Chrome, we have the same story, same situation, and using the same way, using the same buttons, you can clear the history. Oops. Click just on history button in the upper part of your screen, and here you will see the full history. Click show full history, and here we just have button clear browsing data. Click on it, and here we have basic or advanced mode with passkeys and other info. For example, posted up data, or just basic history can clear. For example, I want to clear all my history from last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all the time. For example, you choose all time, click clear data, and wait a while. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.